Let's be real. Dealing with diabetes or insulin resistance can feel overwhelming. Whether you're living with type 1 or type 2 diabetes, or you've been told you're insulin resistant, the daily struggles are real. Fatigue, cravings, blood sugar swings, weight gain, it's exhausting, and it can feel like no matter what you do, nothing changes. But here's something hopeful: you don't have to do it alone. The Feel Great health system was created to support people just like you. People who are trying to balance blood sugar, boost energy, and finally feel good again. While type 1 diabetes requires insulin therapy, this system can still support your metabolism, improve digestion, and help you maintain a healthier lifestyle overall. And for those with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, Feel Great can be a total game changer. Supports healthy blood sugar levels, reduces cravings and appetite naturally, promotes fat burning and weight management, increases energy without spikes or crashes. Thousands of people are already seeing life-changing results, and you can too. Right now, Feel Great is 20% off, so it's the perfect time to start. No gimmicks, no crazy diets, just a system that actually works and fits your life. Tap the link in the bio to join the Feel Great community and take control of your health today.